Alright, what's going on, guys? That Red 64 flatbed back here. Another video. So at the current making of this video, you can see the windows are a little frosted over, fogged over. It's about 55 degrees right now, so for diesel, that's a little cold. However, I don't think it's quite cold enough yet to be able, or to have to use the glow plugs. So I'm going to try this without the glow plugs and see what happens. Alright, let's see. I wish I had a cameraman or something. Hang on, guys. I'm going to try rolling down my window so I can do the truck start up. Okay, she actually started a lot easier than I thought it was going to. But yeah. Did start a little rougher than normal. But then again, it's only 55 degrees out. Yep. There's the truck again. I made 2 overview videos of this truck already, but in case there's anyone new in here, this is what the truck is. 2008 Ford F-350, 6.4 liter Powerstroke turbo diesel. Still has all the emissions on it. So, I'm actually surprised it hasn't even hit any high idle at all. It is a little high because I took the side steps off, but see, she's idling about 700 RPM right now, roughly. But yeah. That's the cold start, man. I'm going to be taking this truck down to, you can see it's a 1-ton 4B class. But I'm going to be taking this truck down to the bottom of the yard here in a bit to hook up to my 16-foot enclosed trailer to move it. So I can get a tractor out. And then I'm going to be selling the trailer soon, hopefully. So I'm wanting to get not get it, but build a pulling truck, so. Yep, I'm going to be using this truck to pull that trailer. RPM should start. Yep, she's still warming up. She's a little cold. Yeah. As a cold start, 55 degrees. And I'm going to shut it off now. Yeah. It runs good. 158,000 miles, no problem. No glow plugs as you saw. It just fired right up on time. So, yep. Thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.